Hi preschool friends, Mrs. Kania here. Guess what time it is? I know, you probably think it's breakfast time because you see Lucky Charms. But guess what? It's time to graph. We're going to graph the charms in our Lucky Charms cereal. All right, let's get started. Here's our graph. You can see at the bottom all the different pictures. I see a moon, a rainbow, a shooting star, a shamrock, a balloon, a horseshoe, a unicorn, and a heart. And then I see numbers going up the other side of our graph. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our Lucky Charm graph. Let's take a look at our bowl. We're going to reach in and pull out a charm. What's the first charm we pulled out? A shooting star. So I wonder where we're going to put that on our graph. The shooting star picture is right here. Here it is. Do you think we start at the bottom of the graph or at the top? We start at the bottom, that's right, because we have one shooting star. And this is our number 1. So we put our shooting star with number 1. All right, let's take a look at our next charm. Looks like a shamrock to me. All right, where would we put our shamrock charm? Over here? Does that match? No, that's a heart. All right, let's keep looking. How about right here on the graph? Should the shamrock go here? No, this is the horseshoe, isn't it? All right, let's keep looking. Here we go. This is our shamrock. So this is where our charm goes. We have one shamrock charm and one shooting star charm. Let's keep going. Here we have the moon. All right, we know where we're going to put our moon charm. Right here. It matches the picture. Okay, let's keep going. Looks like a horseshoe to me. All right, let's find the horseshoe on the graph. Here we go. Okay, I wonder if we'll find any of these other charms. We still need a rainbow, a balloon, a unicorn, and a heart. I wonder if we'll find any of those charms. Oh, I don't want the cereal, do I? Here's a heart. I know where that goes. There's the picture of the heart, so I know where the heart charm goes on my graph. Back to the bowl. Some more cereal. That'll be good to eat later. Another shooting star. So I know where the shooting star is. Now I already have a shooting star here for number 1, so I go up to the next box to put my shooting star in number 2. I have 2 shooting stars. Let's count the charms. 1, 2 shooting star charms. I don't count the picture, do I? Right. Okay, back to our bowl. Looks like a horseshoe. I know we had a horseshoe already, so we put the next horseshoe in the next box. How many horseshoe charms do we have now? Let's count them. 1, 2. Great job counting. All right, let's go back to our bowl. Let's see what else we can find. I see a rainbow. Let's put our rainbow charm on our graph. That's pretty. We have one rainbow charm. Okay, let's keep going. Here's a new one. We didn't have the balloon charm yet. We'll put the balloon charm on our graph. This is fun. I wonder if we'll find a unicorn at all. We have a moon. Boy, there's a lot of moons. What color are the moons? Blue, right. Oh boy, we're getting a lot of moons, I see. Let's count the moons so far. 1, 2, 3. All right. I see some more moons. Do you see them? Let's grab those moons. Here we go. That makes 4 moons. I didn't even have to count that because it's right next to the number 4, so I know there's 4 moon charms on our graph. Here's another charm. Oh, it's another balloon. Let's put that on our chart. Okay, this is fun. Here's a shamrock hat. Hey, that matches the leprechaun's hat a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, we'll put our shamrock hat on our graph. Our chart, our graph is really filling up nicely. This is fun. We still haven't found a unicorn yet. I'm going to keep looking. Oh, here's a heart. Okay. All right, let's keep looking. Wait, what's this? It's our first unicorn charm. Oh, that's great. We'll put that right on our graph. We're doing great. All right. Oh, I see another blue charm. I wonder if that's the moon. It is another moon. Okay. I'm going to stop and we're going to count up some of these charms that we have. Let's go ahead and count up the moons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moon charms. I counted them up. I knew there were 5, and I can see the number 5 right next to the last moon charm. Let's count up our rainbow charms. 1. How about shooting stars? How many do we have? 1, 2. And I see we have 2 shamrock hats and 2 balloons. 1, 2. We also have 1, 2 horseshoes. We only have 1 unicorn. And how many hearts do we have? 1, 2. All right, back to our bowl. There's still a lot of charms left, aren't there? Here's a heart. And another horseshoe. I wonder which charm we'll have the most of. We'll have to see when we're all done with our graph. Oh, another unicorn. Back to the bowl. Ooh, I see a shooting star. Do you remember where the shooting stars are? Here we go. What charm do we have the most of so far? That's right. We have the most moons right now. We have 5 moons. Which charm do we have the least amount for? That's right. We only have 1 rainbow. Okay, back into the bowl. Looks like another horseshoe. All right, let's keep going. This is fun. Oh, a balloon. We haven't had a balloon in a while. What's this charm hiding in here? A unicorn. Did you notice the unicorn on the box? It's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, back to our cereal bowl. Oh, that's a horseshoe. There we go. Oh, the horseshoes. Let's count the horseshoes. Let's see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horseshoes now. Remember we had 5 moons? 5 moons and 5 horseshoes. Okay, those are the same amount, aren't they? The moons and the horseshoes are equal. Back to the bowl. There's a little heart. We'll put that right there on the graph. Oh, it looks like most of the charms are all gone now. Okay, we have 1 more horseshoe. Okay, let's take a look. That's it for charms in our cereal. Now we can take a look at our graph. Let's count up all of the charms that we have. Let's see how many moon charms we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many rainbow charms do we have? 1. That's not too many, is it? How about shooting stars? How many shooting star charms do we have? 1, 2, 3. And what about the shamrock cats? 1, 2. And I can look right across the graph and I see the 2. And how many balloons did we find? 1, 2, 3 balloons. And how many horseshoes? There were a lot of horseshoes, weren't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how about the unicorns? Let's count the unicorns. 1, 2, 3 unicorns. And how many hearts did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. So, if we're looking at our charms, which charm did we have the most of? Which charm did we have the most of? That's right, the horseshoe charms. We had 6 horseshoe charms. That was the most. And which charm did we have the least of? That's right, the rainbows. That we only had 1 rainbow. So that was the least. Very good counting. You did a great job graphing all the charms. It's fun to have St. Patrick's Day this week, isn't it? Great job.